We're back right here on Island Life Live with a fresh look at the future of energy in Hawaii.
The team at SunSource Power is helping pave the way to help the islands reach its goal of 100% renewable energy.
That's right, and here to explain how is Dustin Denise. He is our managing partner from SunSource Power. Welcome, brother.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for taking some time off because I know that you've got an event happening today. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. But before we do, can you go ahead and just give us an overview of what SunSource Power is all about?
Yeah, so I think a lot of time, solar hasn't really changed a lot in many years. The programs have kind of been stagnant. I think with the way that solar has been, it has been kind of a little bit, I would say, discriminatory against people without a lot of money, without supreme credit scores.
Yeah.
So what we've done is we've really tried to revamp some of that system. We're offering something I think that you really won't find out there. So it's a very unique program that we've put together, and we're really excited about it. It's really built by us locals here. So me and my other two business partners are from Hawaii. Born and raised. I'm from the Big Island originally as well too. So yeah.
So you know what it's like living here, working here. How little your dollar goes here to live in the islands, right?
Yeah, price out of paradise is a real thing, right? Being able to afford just to pay your basic necessities of paying for electricity, and we really wanted to be able to bring something that's like solar for all is really our campaign.
That's awesome.
Being able to do something that would allow individuals to limit, all those barriers that limit you to being able to get solar. We've tried to eliminate most, if not all of those, so people can get into a program.
I want to hear more about this. So can you tell us about this new campaign for Solar for All?
Yeah, Solar for All. As I just mentioned, we kind of eliminated a lot of those barriers, so there's no credit checks. So, yeah, I know, right?
What?
Yeah, it's a program that has zero credit checks. If you can afford to pay a $300 a month electric bill, then why don't we reduce that, and then you can definitely afford to pay less, right?
Yeah.
So why do we need to go through that process of credit checks, right? And a lot of times in Hawaii, I think people have gone out, borrowed X amount of money to be able to just get into a home, and then now they don't have available credit to be able to add a solar system on, right?
Yeah. Right.
It's true.
There's a lot of them don't, also too, a lot of us don't have money set aside, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 to purchase a solar system as well too. So we've eliminated that barrier, no credit checks, no down payment.
Yeah.
Brother, this is amazing.
I know.
I'm kind of just like getting chicken skin because I can think of, just right here on my two hands, I can think of 10 families that are not getting solar because of those barriers, and here you guys are just breaking these barriers down for us.
Exactly.
Now tonight, you folks are actually going to be out in the Eva Beach community sharing all of this incredible information about the great work that you folks do. Tell us about that event.
Yeah, so the Iroquois community out there has been kind of hit a lot, I think, with high or exorbitant electricity rates, electricity bills. And so what we're doing is we're going to be, Senator Favela's invited us, and we're going to be doing a little talk out there as well with them, and
Perfect.
just participating with the community. If you guys want to come down, anyone wants to come down and join us, please do. It's a great way to kind of learn a little bit more about what we're doing for the community and kind of see if how we can maybe help other households across this community. Yeah, so also too, I forgot to mention that we also have the lowest amount of time that we own the system. So we only own it for 7 years after that, 7 to 10 years. And then after that, then we turn the system over to the individual. And they keep it 100% themselves. So
Dustin, this is incredible.
That's amazing. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you for this. What time is the event start tonight?
7 p.m. tonight.
7 p.m. tonight, and again, the location is?
It's going to be at Iroquois Elementary School.
Iroquois Elementary. I have a feeling that people are going to drive from all around the island to get to Iroquois tonight. So that's a great thing. Thank you so much. Again, sunsourcepower.com for more information. Actually, sunsourcepower.com/solar for all is where you want to go. A very big mahalo once again to Dustin Denise, our managing partner there. Thank you so much, brother. This is amazing. Good stuff, I tell you. We'll be back with more right here on Island Life Live.